हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू न्यूरल लॉगबुक। कल हम लोगों ने पाइथन का इंस्टॉलेशन किया मैकबुक के ऊपर। सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन इंस्टॉल VS कोड ऑन आवर मैकबुक। आल्सो विल सी हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट प्रोजेक्ट्स, फाइल्स एंड run that using the VS code. Let's download VS code on our MacBook. So for that, let's go to the Safari first, search for VS code. Let me get connected to the internet first. The first recommendation we have from the code.visualstudio.com. So let's go there, go to the download section. Otherwise, like if you can see, we directly have the download for macOS, but let's go to the download so that you will get other options as well, like Mac, Windows and all. Let's download one which is for the Mac. Let me allow this one. So download has been started. Okay, so download is completed. Now let's go here, see we have the DMZ file. Let's open it from here by double clicking it. We have the installation wizard as well here, so let's move this to the application. It will start the downloads. Installation is done, so let's go to the application and search for VS code. We have the VS code. Let's open this one. Open. Okay, so you can log in and everything later. For now, I'll just go to the Explorer tab. I will create a new project by clicking the open, and here I'll create one new folder called demo app. Let's open this one. So we have the new project here. Let's create a new file here which is like demo.py. so it will have the Python extension .py. So VS Code is asking to install the Python extension from the Microsoft Store, so let's install that one. Trust and install. It will take some time. Until then, let's go to our demo.py file and write some code. Let me just print something here using the print command of Python, like welcome back to neural logbook. So installation is done. Let's go to the py. Let's try to run this one. Demo.py is executed successfully, and we have the output also here on the terminal. So this is how you can install VS Code, do the setup, create a project, create a new file, and run or execute that Python file on the MacBook.